We are always looking for happiness. We are always trying to find happiness, peace, calm. There is so much of chaos all around us. There is so much of clutter all around us, and we are trying to find this thing, this person, this experience that makes us happy. We are trying to find for places. We are trying to look for people, groups, communities, or anything, any activity that can bring calmness and peace, be it meditation, be it anything. My question always has been, first it was to myself and now I'm asking you, why do you have to go looking for happiness? Why do you have to go looking for peace and calm? Because all that is inside us. If you want to go inside. Have you ever wondered why our body has pain? Suddenly you get up in the morning and you're like, oh my god, my arm's paining or my shoulder's paining. Or you get up in the morning and you find this whole congestion here. Have you ever wondered why our body carries all this pain? When your body starts to pain, it's a clear sign your body is telling you, enough, I cannot be unhappy anymore. You need to make me happy. You need to remove all this storage that you've done in me of blockages, of negativity, of sadness, of anger, of jealousy, of contempt, all heavy emotions. It's like water, in a container, and you keep putting mud and rocks and pebble and twigs and sticks and God knows what all into it. Imagine after a point what's going to happen to water. First the water will become mucky, after that it will become like really, like a quicksand, and after that it's going to be one hard solid mass of earth, of mud, of all that stuff that you're putting into it. Same with body. Your body is 70% water, 80% water, and imagine what all we are dumping into it. So I feel that we need to really, really listen anytime and every time there's even a slight amount of pain in our body, because pain is your body shouting, our body shouting, stop, I don't want to be unhappy anymore, make me happy. When body pains and we start to understand that our body is telling us, I am unhappy. I'm unhappy because all your emotions are being stored by me and I cannot store anymore. What are you going to do? How are you going to help yourself in getting this pain removed from your body? Pop a pill, take some medicine, run to the doctor, and I'm sure if you've got medical condition, do that. But first ask yourself, what happened that particular day or a day prior? What happened? What triggered this pain? One thing, of course, is to say, there's a weather change, that's why it's happened. I ate too much of this, I didn't eat too much of this. But just think, is any emotion triggering this in you again and again? Because answer is yes, some emotion out there is stuck. In this chaotic world, all the clutter around us, all the chaos around us, we are always trying to find happiness, trying to find our peace. My question to you is, my question to in fact myself always has been this, and now I'm asking you, why do you have to find happiness? Why do you have to look for peace? Because happiness and peace, everything's inside us. We don't have to go looking for it anywhere. If we are surrounded by chaos all around, we have been talking about pain in the body, so let's try to understand certain pains and where these pain are coming from. For example, if you've got a lower abdomen pain happening, then definitely it has something to do with your emotions regarding your relationship, your romantic relationship, or your children. If there is a trigger that has happened, or you've been carrying a lot of emotions which you're not able to express either to your children or in your romantic relationship, husband, partner, boyfriend, whatever, you will all the time have this pain in your lower abdomen. Think about it. Think and Try to understand that pattern that's been happening, and I'm sure you'll agree with me. That pain has to do with these relationships. Life, I believe, is about abundance. I believe that we are born to enjoy abundance. I believe this human body is constructed only and only to align abundance for us. Then the question that comes is, why is it not happening? Why half of our life, in fact more than half of our life, just goes in suffering? Have you ever wondered why we are suffering so much, and do we really need to suffer so much? Answer is no. Only happiness, and happiness is what we are entitled to. Let's find this together.